Goddamn, look at that view, guys. Now that's epic. It's fucking epic.
All this running around, trying to cover my shadow, an ocean growing inside. Now all the others seem shallow. All this running around, bearing down on our shoulders.
The view is so sick right here. It's crazy. Look at it falls. I don't want to fall down there. Man, just like the waves crashing onto the coast is like so epic. I like it.
I heard about a whirlwind that's coming round. It's gonna carry off all that isn't bound. And when it happens, so let it happen, let it happen. All this running around, I can't fight it much longer. Something's trying to get out, and it's never been closer. If my takeoff fails, make up some other story. If I never come back, tell my mother I'm sorry.
La jungle. C'est énorme.
Ça va, y a pas trop de...
Ouais, en fait je sais pas, je m'identifie comme un VTT.
Mais
Du coup,
non,
en tant que bicycle, je vais vous faire un petit trajet, c'est... Non.
Sébastien là, arrêtez-le. Mais ouais, clairement. Un petit riff là. Non.
Let's go! Woo! Let's go!
Un point en moins d'adhérence, c'est terminé. Attends, mais sur les cailloux, ah. Bon, la voiture là, non?
So basically the gym is closed today because of Labels Day, and I came here on the track, it's closed. I managed to climb on top of the gate, and I plan to do at the gym some deadlifts and some hamstring work, and basically I'm gonna do some sprints, I think between 5 or 8 sets of 60 meters and maybe one set of a full length of 100 meters, and yeah. I've done this like a couple months ago and was quite fast, and it's quite enjoyable to train, but it's very hard, and yeah, I managed to get pretty sore after such a day at the track, and I think I'm gonna do a little warm up and let's go. So I just got kicked out because I thought that the track was gonna be closed today because of Labels Day 2, but the Guardian came at like show up way too late, and I thought he wasn't gonna come, but he showed up, and he said to me, I climbed the thing and I need to fuck off. So yeah, I don't care, I just need some sprints, so I'm gonna just do them uphill here. It's not gonna feel that good, but at least I'm gonna work my hamstrings quite good. Let's go. 100 meters is really longer than you think it is. I managed to keep my pace quite good throughout the 100 meters. I'm quite happy with that. Start was not too bad. First 3 steps slipped because of the water. That's alright. Yeah, I'm weighing in at 100 kilos right now. 101 this morning to be exact. You put the focus in the middle, and yeah, I'm still able to move quite well, and it's because of this kind of strength training, not totally bodybuilding style, that I do at the gym, that I think I can keep up with a good athleticism all this while. Yeah. Let me review the footage. And also my shoes are absolutely not right. Those are running shoes. They have way too much cushioning, so my feet get totally absorbed. That's not good. I lose a lot of speed. I watched the footage, it should be around 13 seconds I think. It's pretty slow. I managed to get under 12 seconds last time. But considering I didn't run, do sprints for like 6 months, that's not bad. Let's go. I'm gonna do a couple more 50-meter sprints. I will not film that, I'll see you the next time. So guys, I know this video has been a bit of a mess, but let me summarize it for you. So the first part, we had a little outing on the coast between the city and another city right next to this city. Was pretty cool, like the light was cool. I did some posing on a little rock. Kind of felt like someone was walking on the water. That was cool. Then I filmed some stuff from a friend that was about to shred the car, take it, I don't know how to say it in English, but to destroy it because he couldn't repair it and stuff like that. And we took it on a last run on an evening on the little dirt trails around the city. It was pretty cool, man. And he did some drifts and stuff, and we finished the evening with a completely broken, flat tires, the both of them at the front. So that was that. And it was kind of hard to come home. I didn't film a lot of it because I was dead tired. I was awake since 5 AM that day. Had done a lot of stuff, so I didn't have any energy to film. Alright, and then I did some sprint training. I talked in that video why I did those sprints. In that clip why I did those sprints. And yeah, this morning I did the leg training. I filmed it completely. I'm gonna put it in the next video that's coming next week. I completely destroyed my quads, so you'll see why in that video. It's pretty crazy. And the weather has been nicer and nicer. I've been getting leaner and leaner, so content's gonna be coming much more consistently because I will be able to go outside more and also do some posing outside in the nature how I wanted to do it. I already did some things in the past, in this video at the beginning and some other videos, but I wasn't lean enough, and now it's all coming together. The plan is gonna be cinematic posing in the nature and everywhere basically. That's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys with a little montage that I did yesterday for a friend that drives a Golf GTI. I had a gimbal, a stabilizer for the camera, and just shot some stuff around it. It was like my first time really shooting a car with such a stabilizer, as you could see on some Instagram reels. And actually the result was pretty good. I was pretty bad at stabilizing the gimbal, because you need to walk very stabilized. It doesn't do all the job for you. You still gotta be somewhat stable to have some good footage, but once you slow it down and stabilize it again post-production, it's alright. And yeah, lately I've been at this morning I weighed in at 98.6 kilograms, so the slow cut has been going consistently good. I'm very happy with the results. I was at 109 kilograms in December, and now I'm at 98.6. That's 8 kilograms, 7.4 kilograms down. And I'm gonna go till 95 kilograms, see where that brings me. And once I'm at 95 kilograms, I'm gonna main gain for like a surplus of 100 calories and really try to eat the best food that I can. And I'm on track of reaching that goal maybe in 1 month and a half, because my diet has been really dialed in. I've been able to really contain any kind of cravings and snacks. They all gone. Like, I'm really focused, eating good food, not consume food, not transform food. And yeah, it's been going well. So again, I'm gonna leave you with that montage with the Golf GTI. See you in the next video, guys.
Standing there alone, the ship is waiting, all systems are go. Are you sure? Control is not convinced, but the computer has the evidence. No need to abort. The countdown starts. Watching in a trance, the crew is certain, nothing left to chance. All is working, trying to relax. Up in the capsule, sent me up a drink. Jokes, Major Tom. The count goes on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Earth below us, drifting, falling, floating, weightless, calling, calling home. Second stage is cut. We're now in orbit. Stabilizers up. Running perfect. Starting to collect. Requested data. What will it affect when all is done? Thinks Major Tom. Back at ground control. There is a problem. Go to rockets full. Not responding. Hello, Major Tom. Are you receiving? Turn the thrusters on. We're standing by. There's no